Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTOP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. An absolute monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at all these volume bars, very clearly the biggest volume that this chart has had in quite a while. So a whole lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we can talk areas of resistance. Let's first start by talking about some areas of support and what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the James Bond level at 007. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the bulls can somehow stay up above that James Bond level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. So 007, certainly that preferable area, but by no means is it a must-hold or anything like that. Next area of support after that would be this point of price congestion down there at 005. So 007, 005, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things. So this assumes that you care about more so an overall picture of it all. It all has to do with that purple line right there, which is a 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because I realize the price is way up there. That line's way down there. But as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scope of things perspective, as far as, hey, Clay, how do I gauge the strength of the current price movement? Easy way to do that, just watch that purple line. As that purple line moves upwards over time, as long as the price stays above it, then the overall strength is fully in the bull's favor. Again, yeah, if the price can stay up above 007 or 005, that would be preferable. But if it doesn't, like I said, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the trend is fully in the bull's favor. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion, the top priority right now has nothing to do with breaking levels of resistance. Top priority has to do with going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, higher stair steps, and let the rest take care of itself. But any way you slice it, very powerful move today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.